Utien Pack Company Limited, known as Utien Pack, is a technical enterprise aiming at developing highly automated packaging line. Utien Pack is founded in 1994 and becoming a well-known brand through more than 20 years development. We've achieved 4 national standards drafting and have more than 40 patent technology. Our products are produced under ISO 9001-2015 certification requirement. Our packaging machines are CE certified, including automatic thermoforming packaging machine, tray sealer, internal and external vacuum packaging, promotional banner welding, and other related sealing and filling machines. Our company is recognized as the force in thermoforming technology and vacuum packaging machinery in China to maximize our clients' profit with stable and efficient working of our automatic packing line. Our global sales extend throughout Europe, the USA, and Asia-Pacific regions. Currently, we are further expanding into our local market as China commerce develops from labor-intensive to a more automated professional industry. With the latest research and quality technology, Utien Pack is able to offer complete in-line packing solutions, including thermoforming, multi-head weighing, and liquid filling systems, and owns more than 40 patents thanks to our decades of experience accumulation and increasing invest on research and development. All thermoforming machinery is developed with vacuum, gas flush, and printing options. Our fully integrated PLC programs give total coordination for all operations. Utien Pack supplies complete after-sales service to local and overseas enterprises. Our 1-year guarantee offers complete protection for all machinery and parts. We have been honored to be a member in constituting the thermoforming machinery unit of Chinese National Standard. Our aim is to continue to research and develop to high-standard machines that meets our customers' increasing requirements in terms of volume, safety, and technical performance. We welcome all local and overseas inquiries and shall endeavor to respond with detailed and competitive quotations that will encourage our future progress together.